Hello all, here is a Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board that is just interface to a RGB LED. Very simple connection. Okay, so basically RGB LED has 3 pins as we talked in one of our videos in the channel, which is RGB, and then there is a one ground. So this RGB LED is a common cathode configuration LED. So that means we will be connecting the ground, the brown color pin to brown color wire to the ground pin, and then you can see here in the Arduino Uno R4 the PWM pins 3, 5 and 6. Okay, all these 3 pins are connected to the R, G and B. Okay, so the point to mention here is basically for this for this Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi, the PWM pins are being connected to the RGB LED. So we can vary the PWM signal. Okay, that means we will vary the intensity of R, G and P LEDs so that different color combinations of the LED outputs can be achieved. So first of all, let us just try to glow R, G and B and see whether all the 3 LEDs are working or not. You can see here the LED is glowing R, B, G, again R for every 2 seconds. So a very simple code written to control this particular LED. So the R, G and B which is glowing for every 2 seconds has a very simple code. Like in the setup, what we are doing is we are setting the mode of these pins to 3, 5 and 6 to output. The pins 3 and 5, 6 are set here as output, and then in the loop what we are doing is initially we are setting 3 high, and then we have a delay of 2 seconds. We are using the inbuilt function delay, and then again we are turning on the next LED and then delay, and again turning on the next LED while turning off the other 2 LEDs in respective cases. So again there is a delay. Very simple code. So we haven't used the PWM functionality here. What we just try to do is we just set the outputs on the respective pins, and then we just try to turn on one LED, one color, while turning off the other colors. And as we have seen, the RGB glowing continuously. So as we see here, there are different color combinations that are being produced here based on the PWM control that is provided from the Arduino board to this particular RGB LED. So the color combination is like when we have green plus blue, we have cyan color. Okay, and now when we have red plus blue, it is magenta, as we see here, and and then when we have green plus red, we have LED color that is that will glow. So the different color combinations based on the PWM duty cycle that is being applied to this LED can be generated. So RGB LED, it's not just with the the PWM, it's not just about RGB, we can also produce different colors. Now let us look at the code, how it is looking. In the code, as we see here, the 3 pins are set to a output mode, and then what we are doing is we are using the analog write mode. Previously we have used digital write mode to just control high and low. Now we are using analog write mode here to set the duty cycle. So the first value in the function, as we see here, is a pin number, And second one is a value. Value is nothing but the duty cycle. So duty cycle varies between 0 to 255. When we give 0, the LED will be 0, LED will be off, and when we give 255, LED will be brightly on. So when we see analog write of 3 comma 255, that means we are setting it to fully bright color. Now 3 is nothing but in our circuit the yellow wire is connected, which is connected to the red. So the red is continuously on, and similarly blue is continuously on, and the combination is producing a magenta color. And then green plus blue, okay, the green which is connected to 5, the blue which is connected to 5, and green which is connected to the 6 are turned on to produce cyan color. And then green plus LED combination gives yellow. So similarly they are set to the full brightness of 255, and in between we have given a LED delay of 4 seconds to just see the combinations. So this is how a simple code can be written. Okay, so this is dumped, and we have seen that the RGB LED is giving different color combinations.